Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new look for you guys today. This look is very soft, glam, and easy. And let's get started with today's video. So going in with a primer, Sorry It's Dirty, I'm going to use the Milani Prime Shield to prime my face. Okay, so next I'm going to take the 24 Hour Wear Foundation by Maybelline. And I'm going to get a damp beauty blender. For concealer, I'm taking the Too Faced in Light Neutral. So to set the concealer, I'm going to take the Airspun Loose Face Powder. Okay, so I did my eyebrows and contour off camera. If you want to see how I contour, how I do my eyebrows, go down in any of my videos. Links will be in the description. So next we are going on to eyes, and for the eyes I am taking a primer, Soft Ochre by M.A.C, and I'm just gonna take a flat brush and put some on my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Morphe 39A palette, and inside the palette I'm gonna go in with Passion as a transition shade. And I'm gonna take a 26BH Cosmetics brush, blending brush. We're gonna take Passion, wipe off the excess, and I'm gonna begin to start from the outer corner and going into the crease. Okay, and to define my crease, I'm going to take Forever, which is this dark plum color, and that's going to go into the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take this metallic color called Trendy, and that's going to go in where we left the empty spot at. Okay, so I did the rest of my makeup, eye makeup off camera. So the next one I'm going in with is for the lips, we're going in with Jeffree Star's Unicorn Blood. Okay, so the lipstick is all done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go in with highlighter. And for highlighter, I'm taking the Moonchild by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I am going to go in with the shade Star. So I'm taking a Morphe M510 brush. Okay, last but not least, we are going to go in with setting spray by Milani, Make It Last 16-hour wear. Okay, so this concludes this look on this full glam tutorial. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.